I'm Lydia, a second-year student at The Ohio State University College of Medicine. I'm in front of the home of the College of Medicine, Hamilton Hall, which we also call the Interdisciplinary Health Sciences Center, or IHSC. A 225,000 square foot renovation was completed this year, and it's amazing. Let's go for a quick tour. Here's the heart of the building, the Forum, named for Jerry Block and Robert Schonstein, who supported this beautiful space. It's a great spot to study or meet with my colleagues, to eat lunch, or just to relax. We are in here all the time. I'll show you another favorite study spot, the Ohio State Physicians Incorporated Reading Room. This is our reading room, another good place for focused studying and work. I love all the nice spaces and comfortable spots here. Where do we learn all the things we're studying here? Let's go to one of the building's 33 classrooms. These classroom spaces are optimized for collaboration across campus and the world using state-of-the-art technology. This lab is a part of the anatomy wing at Hamilton Hall, which has more than 43,000 square feet total. Every table has surgical lighting, and every lab has 6 TVs we can use to share knowledge across the lab. Here, students in other health science colleges, including physical therapy, dentistry, and nursing, work together with medical students. Finally, here's the IHSC courtyard. It's right outside the Forum, and it's a wonderful place to study, have a snack, or just be. Thank you for joining me for this tour of IHSC. We hope to see you on campus soon. Go Bucks!